Hey guys, we're here to talk about carpet cleaning lingo, and we are talking about quick disconnects. Short for quick disconnects is QD, and the ones that carpet cleaners use are closed quick disconnects. Closed meaning when you disconnect them, this part closes and stops the water from flowing. So these are closed and they're 1/4 inch. So the thread is a pipe thread, 1/4 inch. This is what you put on your solution lines. Most of the people use the brass ones. We also have the stainless ones. So if you have some luxury items, you can use stainless. But let me show you about this one. This is a higher quality than most people will have. This is made for us, and it has a stainless insert in there. And the female does too. If you can take a look at that, you see the stainless insert. So those are the ones, those are the parts that usually do wear out in these. And it doesn't need to be all stainless steel, but it's nice if you want all stainless steel. It's all stainless steel. It's going to be more expensive, but this one has all the necessary requirements as far as the parts that need to be stainless steel. They're stainless steel, so it does last a lot longer than other QDs. And they're not that expensive from us because we have them made for us. And then anyway, so this is male, female, and the way they connect together is you push this female one back and you press that, and then it snaps into place. And then this is called a shut-off valve, and it usually goes on this end. And the reason we put this on there is when you're using it, you have it on, but when you're not using it, you turn it off, and then you press the trigger on your upholstery tool or your wand to release the pressure between this. When you release the pressure between this, it makes it easier to connect other tools to it. Otherwise, if there's pressure built up in here, it becomes really hard to connect this, because what happens is this nipple goes and touches the nipple inside there, and it opens it up. So that's it. Quick tip for you guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.